Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial to cover using VoiceThread with Canvas. So VoiceThread is a tool that you can use to do a virtual critique with your students, and faculty and students can comment on individual works, give feedback, and see all the work all in one place. So the way that this works is if you navigate to your modules on your Canvas page, you're going to add a voice thread to a module. So whether you create a new module or an existing module that's already there, you go to the top menu and just click on this plus. All right. Here you're going to add an external tool and then navigate down to VoiceThread. It may ask you for a login here. Just use your university email. It should work. Click on individual voice thread and then create new voice thread. So what you're going to need is some sort of media to drop in. I'm just going to drop in like a cover page sort of a thing, so students have something to land on when they get there. In Photoshop, I just created this little icon, made it a JPEG. VoiceThread is limited to certain type of media types. Seems like JPEG and PNG and PDF are the best to use so far. So I'm just going to click Add Media, browse from my computer, grab this 3D Crit JPEG and open it up. Okay, so here you can title your voice thread, 3D critique, and then give it a description that students can access. First crit of the term. Okay. Obviously, you can give instructions and stuff there if you need to as well. Under playback options, so here allow commenters to add slides into this voice thread. So that would be anybody with a link can add their photos in. So you could have your students do that. You can also add their photos in if you'd like to. Allow others to download original media, sure, that sort of thing. You can check these boxes accordingly. And then if you want to add a cover art, I guess there's this cover art area as well. So hit save. And then once you do that, it will show up down here and you can click the blue button, share with class. Once you do that, you can preview it, what it would look like for that first slide, and this creates a link, all right? And then you need a link in order for it to connect to Canvas. So share with class. And then activity name, so same sort of thing would be that I just keep it to be the title. So 3D critique is what I'm going for here, hit save. And what that will do is give you the menu to save and continue. And then you'll notice that down here is the URL. So it generates a URL for Canvas to read the voice thread you created. Okay. You can choose to indent or not indent and click add item. All right. So again, in Canvas, in order to make this live, you just click the checkbox there to make it live. Students will be able to log into it here. They will get the voice thread menu to pop up. It may ask them for their email address, so they should use their university email address. And here, what you can invite them to do is to, once they land here, click on these three bars, click on edit, and they could then add media. So for example, if there is a JPEG image like this finished render one, we'll just add this in. Okay, once that's in, it's going to take a minute to process, but students should be able to then add their name and title to it. So you want them to be able to add their information to it. So once it's up, click on the little pencil, and then they can title it. So name, title, etc. Okay, and then you can have them have whatever title you want them to do. Click save, and then once it's live, then you should be able to share it. Okay, share it with a group, and that is 3D modeling class. Share, success. Okay, very good. Once you're here, you can go home, and then you can find it underneath your different classes. So if I click on this, students can go here. Once they go to their peers project, they can click on comment, and they can add a text comment, a voice comment, or a video comment, or an upload a file. I don't know what the phone home button is, but make a comment using your phone. I don't know. Anyway, go here and just add some feedback. Great lighting, improve the liquid. Okay, great. So there's that. And then when they hover through these slides, they'll get icons that come up and they can read each one. All right. So that's VoiceThread in a nutshell. If you have questions, let me know. I'm learning this as well. So hopefully we can share information and make this really successful for our students. All right. See you soon.